Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex, actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn. It's your world, it's my world, it's Vonte's world, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day, you know what I'm saying? We picking up the charger. It's over there, you know what I'm saying? It's over there sitting. You know what I'm saying? Bro can't pick me up and niggas drop me off so we can go pick this bitch up right now. But I'm about to go in there and cash these niggas out. And we about to get back rolling, man. Damn, I didn't even bring my mask with me, so fuck it. Picking up my charger, black and red.
So you're gonna be 1200.
Here you go.
That's 1,000. 1,200.
Yo, what up, though? This Cal's Auto. We got him VIP. We got you together. Your car ride like butter, baby.
Okay.
Love that.
That's what I'm talking about. But this my copy right here?
I got yours right here, man.
Okay.
There you go, you're all set.
All right, thanks. Appreciate it. Are we back rolling, man? We got the keys right here. You know what I'm saying? We back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. Back rolling, man. We got the keys right here. You heard this shit. Back rolling. This bitch is dirty. God damn, this thing is dirty. This thing is dirty as shit. Damn. Oh shit, I'm back in the baby. I'm back in the baby, yes sir. Back in the baby, yes sir. God damn. Yes sir, these niggas drove out all my goddamn gas. Y'all niggas think y'all slick driving on my goddamn gas, running your errands and shit. Oh yeah, man. They got it together. You gotta see how it's riding. Okay. Definitely not doing it. It's definitely not slipping. Let me put on my seatbelt real quick. Damn, this bitch got the 70 real quick. God damn. I don't like what they fucked up my seat. I can't get it back. Can't get back to how my shit was before. Man. Yeah, guys, so the Charger's back, man. It's back to life, you know what I'm saying? It's riding good, it's riding smooth, it's shifting smooth, you know what I'm saying? They did a good job, even though I feel like they taxed me on the price. But it's cool though, we ain't gonna trip on that. But man, shout out to Cal's Auto Repair, Cal's Auto Repair. You know what I'm saying? If I have another issue, hopefully we don't have no more issues. I'm speaking that to existence. We ain't gonna have no more issues with this car. But it's Mopar, y'all know how that go. But hopefully no more issues. And if we do have any issues, we gonna take it back up there to Cal's Auto Repair, man. Cause they got it together for me, you know what I'm saying? So you know, I already done stepped on this thing and pushed it to the max and pushed it to the limit. You know what I'm saying? We smooth. No error messages or nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? No codes, no check engine lights. And it's riding smooth, man, and it sound good. And you know, we back to life, so we back out here in the streets, you know what I'm saying? We back out here in the streets, you dig? But I'm about to put this camera down so I can drive safely, and I'm gonna record when I get back, when I'm done driving. Remember, I can't record too much. Good battery about to die. Yes, sir. Bring this back finally. Bring this back to back. Probably be the thumbnail. Take a good walk on the beach and shit. Enjoy the vibes, enjoy the view, the scenery and shit. Gotta get a new tripod. This motherfucker's so loose.
That's that little issue, man.
Yeah. This bitch is bending, falling and shit. Oh, they over there in the water. They enjoying it there. I gotta go shopping and get me some other shit.
Oh, yeah, me too. I gotta get some more. Some more motherfucking sweatpants, some more jackets.
Hoodies.
Hell yeah.
I need some boots.
I'm gonna give me some more Timbs.
Yeah. Damn, look at this shit, though. Good ass view, good ass vibe. Shit, I want to pull the fucking charger right here.
Huh?
Just pull that bitch right here and take the bitch. I'm gonna do that shit one day. Come
You gotta do that shit at night.
No, I'm coming to this early as hell in the morning.
Yeah, before anybody gets
Right.
to this bitch.
And it's like 6 a.m.
Hell yeah, as soon as the sun come out.
Right. Just out here today on the beach, enjoying the vibe, enjoying the weather. Cherry just got brought back to life today, so I had to bring her out so she can get some scenery and get some life. You know what I'm saying?
A bit of that shit.
Up here in the sky.
Enjoying life.
Look up in the sky. I thought that nigga was about to land right here. You the motherfucking man right here. Come down here, get some bitches.
Boy. You're scared as fuck.
Look, that bitch is cut off. Like, he didn't do that on
At
purpose.
least he got the thing. See, at least he gonna come down slow. He ain't gonna come out too damn fast.
That shit is scary. God damn. That shit is scary as hell. I do want to. I want to fucking skydive though. I ain't gonna cap.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad. And she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Actually, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me.